Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my very last Sephora Play subscription box. And if you received the Sephora Play subscription box, April is your last one too. They are canceling it. They are going to do other boxes that we can order, but no more subscriptions. So let's get in here and see what I've got. So I've already opened it up, as you could see when I held it up a minute ago, because Sephora sends it with your address all over it, and it's easier just to show you the inside. We received an email a couple of weeks ago with not a lot of lead, and the email said that our April box would indeed be our last box. They said that on April 28th, they're going to put out a new box, but you have to go in and order it. I think they're like the Luxe ones that they've done in the past where you hear about them and then you go on and order them, and I will try and stay ahead of it and let you guys know. I will probably let you know on Insta when they're available if I can, if I see them. Let's see what I've got. I had already taken my paperwork off the top so I could show you guys what I received, and what I have stickers. This is kind of fun. It's just, my grandbabies will love this. They're just stickers, and they're already cut out. Sephora Forever, only have eyes for you. How cute are those? Kind of cute. And then we have our paperwork, Class of 2020. And the front of the paperwork is usually some kind of like cartoony type thing that kind of leads you down the path of what's going to be in the box, and then the back actually shows you what's in the box. The paperwork does say, though, this will be the final play box you will receive. You've learned, experimented, and had all kinds of fun with us. Now it's time to graduate. Play is ending to make room for something even better. We know saying goodbye is bittersweet, but there are more exciting things to come. So I can't wait to find out what those things are. In the box they've gone back to the Sephora Play red bag, which I always thought was kind of more Sephora anyway, because they kind of do the black, white, and red. But okay, let's just dig right in and see what I have. I have an IT Secret Sauce Clinically Advanced Miraculous Anti-Aging Moisturizer, and I have actually tried this in the past on my own. I don't know that I received it from them. Right. This is what the little packaging looks like. And this is 0.237 ounces. I'm going to leave it sealed because I might want to pass it on. All things it contain both retinol palmitate and licorice, and I don't use either of those products, so I will set this aside to pass it along. Let me tell you what the paperwork says, though. IT Cosmetics Secret Sauce Anti-Aging Moisturizer is a rich formula that helps skin hold onto moisture and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. There you go. Let's see what's next. Next, I have the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Creme Lipstick. And it's just the little sample ones like you get when you place an order online. Interesting, because I wonder if you can even buy these. If you tried one and you liked it, I wonder if the new KVD line carries the same. Just food for thought. This was our bonus. When you got the Sephora Play, you usually ended up with a bonus that was a foil packet, usually of shampoo and conditioner, or a perfume to try, but this time we got lips. Studded Kiss Creme Lipstick in Lolita, Outlaw, and Vampira. Super creamy, comfortable, and weightless. This long-wear lipstick delivers vivid color with lip-nurturing ingredients. They're kind of fun colors. This is Outlaw, Lolita, and Vampira, so red, brownish, and purpley. But I wonder if you like them, if you can even purchase them. I don't know. Let's reach in and see what's next. I have, oh, look, it's a cute little teeny tiny makeup eraser. I received a makeup eraser in my Boxy Box, and I have used it and I like it. So I will probably try this. Let's see how big this little baby is. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little Barbie one. You could, I mean, it's the size of the palm of your hand. But you know what? One of the things that I like this for, that I have discovered that I like this for, is eye makeup. So this is actually not a bad size for eye makeup. That's kind of fun. It strikes me like something that the grandchildren are going to see and assume is for them. The paperwork says the original makeup eraser, makeup removing cloth. Remove your makeup with nothing but this cloth and warm water for, about 1,000 washes. Yes, 1,000 washes. What an overachiever. This says that it is equal to 3,600 makeup wipes. Wow. Well, this will be a cute size to play with and try on my eyes. Or like if you want to take off your lipstick midway through the day, like today I have a liquid matte on that I might want to take off at some point. That might be a great idea for that. Okay, next I have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. And I also have a full-size one of these that I also received in a boxy. Just saying. Let me tell you what the paperwork says. Soy Fresh Face Cleanser. This go-to formula removes dirt and makeup without stripping the skin of essential moisture. It's a skincare routine basic you didn't know you needed. I like it. It's okay. I don't love the scent. It smells like cucumber in an odd way. And so I find myself not reaching for it in the morning, so I still have a lot of the full-sized one that I have downstairs. So I will probably set this aside and let somebody else give it a try, just since the scent doesn't seem to suit me. Next, I have a Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. I don't know that I've tried the eye balm. I've received a lot of the Belief products, but let's see what this says. Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. This is our Piece de Resistance eye product. It's a lightweight cream that delivers a burst of moisture and boosts the appearance of skin's elasticity for 26 hours. Wow, that's awesome. The call-out ingredients are tiger grass, which soothes skin, and comfrey leaf, which detoxifies skin. And I think that the tiger grass is that cica that we're seeing in everything. I think that's what tiger grass is. And you can see this is another one of those ones that is way up in there just a little bit, but let's open it up. I'm going to give this one a try. It's just a nice white cream, and it just smooths on the skin. It's kind of a gel to cream finish, so that will be a nice one to try. And last but not least, my last regular Sephora Play subscription box product ever, I have a Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. And that is what that looks like. I'm not even sure if it's eyes or lips yet. Based on the color, it's difficult to tell. Interesting. I have to be honest, I've gotten it unwrapped now, and I still don't. You think that's going to be an eye or a lip product? That color, it could go either way. Let's see what the paperwork says. Artist Color Pencil in 904 Worldly Mauve. A universal makeup pencil for lips, eyebrows, eyes, and cheeks in a muted mauve shade. That is funny that it is for everything we talked about, plus more. I cannot imagine using a mauve in my eyebrows. Nope, I don't see me putting it in my eyebrows. Let's swatch it though. Oh, it's a really dry pencil. It doesn't have a lot of creaminess. That is the color. It's kind of purpley, so I suspect that's something that I will probably try on my eyes. It's kind of dry, so I don't know how it will drag across my eyes, but that's not a lip color that I think I will use, but it's kind of pretty. There you go. That is my final Sephora Play box, April 2020, end of an era as it were. And we received the IT Secret Sauce Moisturizer, the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, the little itty bitty cute makeup eraser, the Belief Eye Balm, the Kat Von D sample colors, the Makeup Forever Use It How You Would Like Worldly Mauve, although I will tell you it looks very purple, liner, and stickers. Let me know what you guys think below. Do you think it was time for Sephora to throw in the towel and try something new? I don't want to sound negative, but I kind of think maybe it was. We've been getting a lot of repeats lately. We're not getting the new products that we were, we're not getting new things to try. These items are all items that have been in the market for quite some time. I mean, all of them. None of them are new products. So it will be fun to see if what they do going forward gives us more opportunity to try newer products, because then it is, I think, 100% worthwhile. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by to watch. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon, guys.